एतदिच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुं परं कौतूहलं हि मे महर्षे त्वं समर्थोऽसि ज्ञातुमेवं विधन्नरम्. एतत् to changes to the because of sandhi. Ichhami, cha is mahapranah. Etad ichhami because of sandhi. Aham. Ichhamyaham because of sandhi. So etad ichhamyaham. Shrotum param kautuhalam. Now param ends in anuswara and kautuhalam starts with ka. So it becomes parang kautuhalam. The anuswara changes to nga, which is the anunasika or the nasal of the kavarga. Hi, me. Maharshe is a compound word. Tvam, samarthaha, thas mahapranaha, asi. Samarthosi, because of sandhi. Jnatum, evam vidham is a compound word. Thas mahapranaha. Jnatum evam vidham, naram. Now, evam vidham ends in an anuswara and naram starts with na, which is a nasal, and it belongs to the tavarga. So the anuswara changes to nu. So evam vidhan naram because of sandhi. Etadichhamyaham shrotum parang kautuhalam hi me maharshe tvam samarthosi jnatumevam vidhannaram. Shrutva chaitat trilokagno valmikeer narado vachaha shruyatamiti chamantriya prahrushto vakyam abravit. Shrutva cha etat chaitat because of sandhi. Trilokagnaha is a compound word. It becomes trilokagno because of sandhi. Valmikehe, visarga changes to repha. Narataha, Valmikeer narataha because of sandhi. Narataha becomes narado because of sandhi. Vachaha. Shruyatam iti. Shruyatam iti. Cha amantriya. Chamantriya because of sandhi. Prahrushtaha becomes prahrushto because of sandhi. Vakyam abravit. Vakyam abravit. Shrutva chaitat trilokagno valmikeer narado vachaha shruyatamiti chamantriya prahrushto vakyam abravit. Bahavo durlabhaschaiva ye tvaya kirtita gunaha mune vakshyamyaham buddhva tairyukta shruyatannaraha. Bahavaha becomes bahavo because of sandhi. Durlabhaha, bhas mahapranaha. Visarga changes to shu there. Cha. Durlabhascha because of sandhi. Eva. Chaiva because of sandhi. So the phrase becomes Durlabhaschaiva ye tvaya kirtitaha. Visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Gunaha. Mune vakshyami aham. Vakshyamyaham because of sandhi. Buddhva, second dhas mahapranaha. Taihi, visarga changes to repha. Yuktaha. Tairyuktaha because of sandhi. Visarga changes to shu there. Shruyatam. Tairyukta shruyatam because of sandhi. Naraha. Shruyatam ends in anuswara and the next word starts with na. So it becomes shruyatannaraha because of sandhi. Bahavo durlabhaschaiva ye tvaya kirtita gunaha mune vakshyamyaham buddhva tairyukta shruyatannaraha. Ikshvaku prabhavo Ramo nama janaishrutaha niyatatma mahaviryo dyutiman dhritiman vashi. Ikshvaku is a compound word. Bhamaha pranah. It becomes Ikshvaku Prabhavo because of Sandhi. Ramaha becomes Ramo because of Sandhi. Nama Janaihi. Visarga changes to Shu there. Shrutaha. Janai Shrutaha because of Sandhi. Niyata Atma. Niyata Atma is a compound word. Mahaviryaha is a compound word. It becomes Mahaviryo because of Sandhi. Dyutiman, Dhritiman, Dhasma Pranah, Vashi. Ikshvakuvamsha Prabhavo Ramo Nama Janai Shrutaha Niyatatma Mahaviryo Dyutiman Dhritiman Vashi.